Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone setting guys, and today video title guys Samsung phone guys phone color inversion guys how to on in Samsung phone device. Friends, you want to on guys Samsung phone guys phone color inversion, so how to on it today friends I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So first of all guys, you will have to on guys Samsung phone guys phone setting guys. So guys we will on it. After on phone setting guys, click on guys Samsung phone guys phone accessibility. Guys click on Samsung phone guys phone accessibility setting guys, tap here. Guys click on visibility setting, then guys you can see Samsung phone guys phone color inversion guys you want to on. So friends, you can on after on guys your background will dark, and friends you can use guys screen color will totally change. And friends, if you use guys any photos and videos, so friends you can see as like ghost. So guys you can see guys your phone, this guys setting guys, this background phone skin color will totally change. So guys we call it color inversion. So guys you can own and you can use it. So bye guys.